Hi guys, for today's video I am going to do a review of this Final Autoclaim website. So to use this website you will have to create an account using your email and a password. To do that you can click the first link in the description to visit to this website, then provide your email and your password, then create an account for you. After that you will have to verify your email, so do that. Then my guys, you can log in. After login we can start earning in this website. So in this website my guys, we are earning a coin called Dutchy. Later we can exchange that coin for all of these crypto coins. So let's start the earnings. Hover over your mouse to the Bitcoin sign. Here it is. It says earn Dutchy. Click on it. Then you will see the methods that you can use to earn from this website. Let me show you the easiest ones first. Those things are Dutchyroll and CoinRoll. Let me open them in different tabs. So my guys, in this Dutchyroll section you can roll in every 30 minutes and win these amounts of coins. So first thing you have to do is complete the captcha. I have chosen the reCAPTCHA. You can change your default captcha if you like. I will show that later, but for now I have completed the captcha. Now I can hit roll. You won 107 Dutchy tokens plus 10 XP. Alright, as you can see here, you need to wait 30 minutes before the next roll. So our second way of earning in this website is CoinRoll. Here it is. So in this CoinRoll, we can complete a captcha, then click roll to win the cryptocurrency that is they are giving us for this month. For this month it is Litecoin. Last month they gave us Ethereum. Yep, Ethereum. So my guys, it's the same procedure. All you have to do is solve the captcha and hit roll. Then I got 280 litoshis. Alright, that's good, right? And my guys, our third best way to earn in this website is by using surf ads. Let me open that in a new tab, and as you can see here there is a countdown, and after the countdown ends we will have to solve this captcha. All we have to do is select the item that this captcha is telling us to select. For this time I have to select Ethereum sign. Yep, and hit submit, and I got some Dutchy tokens. Alright, let me do this one again, the next PTC, and I can get 24 coins for this ad. Alright, Bitcoin sign, choose it and hit submit. And for this one I can get 39 coins, Ethereum. I choose Ethereum and I click submit, and voila, I got that. And my guys, we can do this over and over and over again until this PTC ads ends. I'm not going to do that anymore because it's a waste of both of our times. I will do that later when I got time. And my guys, this is the fourth method of earning in this website, which is PTC Wall. And in PTC Wall, like in all other PTC websites, we can visit a ad for some time and get rewarded. These are long ones, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm not going to visit those long ads for this video. I'm going to visit this one of these 5-second ads. Let's visit this one. Click visit, and here is the countdown. After that we have to solve this simple captcha. Choose egg. Here they are telling us to choose the egg, and we can click submit, and I got the amount of 48 Dutchy and 50 XP for my account. So that is how you use the PTC Wall for earning. And my guys, let me run you through some other things quickly. I don't use them that much, but you can use those things as well to earn. Those are short link wall, offer wall, and social jobs. That is a good one. And we have contests and level bonuses and loyalty bonuses. Level bonuses, guys, you will get by leveling up your account. And about the loyalty bonus, guys, let me open that one too. For every consecutive day you claim at least one time on the one of roll games, CoinRoll or Dutchyroll, you get a 0.5% increase in each role. Maximum loyalty bonus is 60%, guys. To get that, you will have to use this website continuously for 120 days. And my guys, the bad thing about this loyalty bonuses is that if we don't use this website for a day, our loyalty bonus will be reset to 0%. That's bad. But for that, we can't do anything. So if you like loyalty bonuses, you will have to use this website at least one time every day. This is one of the good methods to earn in this website. That is by completing social jobs. Those are like posting in Facebook or posting in Twitter. So as you can see here, make a promo tweet on Twitter and you will get 2000 Dutchy coins. And I have already done that and got the amount of reward. And you can do a Facebook feedback and get 2000 coins as well. And I did that too. So my guys, to earn from these social jobs, just click social jobs in the earning menu here. Then read the requirements here. And if you think you can fulfill their requirements, then go ahead and complete the job and get the reward. And my guys, they have offer walls too. You can see the all offer walls here. If you like to complete offers, you can use these offer walls to collect some more coins. And also my guys, we have short links. You know how to visit short links, right? I suggest you to visit these FC links and exe.io links because those are the easiest short links to visit in my opinion. So you can use those short links to earn a bit more coins in this website. That's enough for earning methods. Now let's talk about some other things. Let's say you want to exchange your coins that you get from the coin roll or from other ways. How you can do that? Well, just click on your username and a drop down menu will pop up and click exchange. Then you can select the coin you want to exchange. In the first drop down menu, select what is the coin you want to exchange. Let's say you want to exchange Dutchy coins to Litecoins, and in the next drop down menu you can choose Litecoin or the desired coin of yours. Then you can put the amount you want to exchange in this bar, that is asking you to put the amount you want to sell. And if you click right here, you can see that if I exchange 10,000 Dutchy Satoshis, I can get this amount of litoshis. So I'm not going to do that right now because I want to collect some more coins and exchange a big amount in the future. So my guys, you can subscribe to this channel to see the withdrawal proof of this website. But for today, let me show you how you can withdraw. Click on your username and click balance. Then scroll down in this web page and find the coin you want to withdraw. Let's say I am going to withdraw Litecoins. So I have found the Litecoin section and you can see you need a minimum balance of 5,000 litoshis to be able to withdraw. I have 6,000. So click withdraw. Then you can choose your method: Express Crypto, Faucet Pay, Coinbase, Blockchain. Let's get for our Faucet Pay website. Then I think in this bar you can see their Litecoin balance status. It is full green. I think that means their wallet is full. So we can do this transaction right now or the withdrawal now. Amount to withdraw, your balance. My balance is here. Minimum required is 5,000. I have 6,000. So no problem. Amount to withdraw. You can put your amount here and then you can request. Before that, we need to put our Faucet Pay mail. So click on this little icon, your Faucet Pay account mail. Here's the icon. Then you can add your addresses. You can add your Faucet Pay mail address here and click update, then you can go back to your wallet balances and do the withdrawal. But guys, I'm sorry, I'm not going to do the withdrawal right now because I need at least 100,000 litoshis. That's my goal for this website right now. So please subscribe because I'm going to do that payment proof video as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.